Here's the power generator. It's pretty dusty, but the coils, can't really tell, I guess. They have some dust on them, but otherwise they look like they're a good color. You can see the part that's not dusty. I'm gonna check the resistance where the voltage regulator connects there for the stator. So it looks like the resistance on the stator, let's see, I had it hooked up where the AVR was. Get it back on there. It seemed really high. It's at 60. It's 58.5. Let me try to get the rings. I forgot what they're called, where the brushes connect. So feeling around in there, it feels like when I thought I was checking the stator, I was actually checking the rotor, because the brushes are what the voltage regulator connects to. So I think to check the stator, I had to check in here. So let me try that. We'll see how it goes.